Hi guys, and welcome back to this video. And in this quick video I will just demonstrate how we can add fog effects to video footage inside Lightwave using sprites, hypervoxels. And here we have the scene of one of the Iron Man movies. I think it was Iron Man 2, where he crashed in the snow. And let's just go to one of the frame. Let's just stay on this frame. So if you shot something in this type of environment lighting, and just say you wanted to add fog effects to your footage, all you gotta do is load up some sprites, like I've done here. And if you look to the top right corner, you can see the perspective view. It's basically just a grid of vertices, right? You can see the spacing. It's just a grid of vertices, and so that's the second grid. The grids on either side are running at 200 millimeter, 200 sorry 180 millimeter particle size, and the grid in the center is at 200 millimeters, because we want the grid in the center to be a bit dense. um, so yeah, so wait, we want the particle grid in the center is 100 millimeters, so we want that to be a little bit more dense. That's right in front of the frame, the camera footage frame, and then the ones to the side of the frame are slightly more sparse at 180 and 200 millimeters, so we can create a more efficient setup. And so this is what we have. And you can see, you can also envelop the channels. If you go to boxes again, you go to hypertexture. On the position and rotation, you can run interference on those channels to create um, movement in the fog. So also what you can do is, um, if you just want to do a camera pan through, going into the fog, and that's the shot you're looking for. So basically all you have to do is parent the the footage mesh to the camera. So when you move the camera, the mesh or the frame, video frame, will move with the camera. And then just say you want to fly the camera from somewhere here, and you can just go through the fog if that's the shot you were looking for. So that's what you could do. As you can see in the top right corner, you can see what's happening with the as I pan through. So basically the shot might start somewhere here, and as we pan through and then into the frame. So this is just using the sprite mode. You could do it with the volumetric nodes, but you have to get the right setting. um, anyway, this is just a way that you could do this effect inside of Lightwave. And so just wanted to show you this and share this with you. So normal footage without the fog effect, and then back on. Without, off, on, and then on again. So even with one layer on for certain shots, it's still good enough to create that effect. And so let's just do a render. Um, so there's 1.2 seconds off and on for just one layer. 18.6 seconds for one layer on at full HD. This is just a frame effect, so there's no need for anti-aliasing. Um, Also, this footage is not actually full HD. It's just a 720p clip of YouTube. Um, so yeah, hope you like this effect and this method for this type of effect. It's basically a voxel grid using sprites to create s- uh, static or dynamic fog effects, basically just for a camera pan through or camera pan, or basically just a frame lock onto the video footage. um, Off, on, off, on, and if we switch over to perspective mode, can see basically the camera is sitting um, somewhere in the front of these two layers currently. So if we zoom in, the camera is sitting somewhere here, and that's what's the first two layers of the voxel grid is creating their effect. So if you wanted to add fog to your video footage, you can do it inside of Lightwave, and I will catch you guys on the next video. um, and also with the movement of the video footage, the person watching the footage, focus will be on the video footage. So you will only need very slight movement of the fog channels, so it would work seamlessly with uh, any type of video footage. Alright guys, and that's that.